Colorado Workers' Compensation Law. Workers' compensation laws were enacted around the country in the early 20th century as a response to the increasingly dangerous work conditions in factories and other workplaces around the country. Workers' compensation was a compromise to create an exclusive remedy for workplace injuries and illnesses, even no-fault workplace accidents. Under workers' compensation statutes, employees generally cannot file personal injury lawsuits against their employers. However, workers' compensation pays defined benefits for medical treatment, lost wages and lost earning capacity without proving the employer intentionally or negligently caused harm. The Colorado Workers' Compensation Act of 1915 created the administrative system and statutory benefit structure for workers' comp in our state. Our expert team of Denver workers' compensation attorneys is equipped with the knowledge and experience necessary to guide you through the entire process, from filing a claim to resolving disputes, all while prioritizing your best interests. Eligibility for workers' compensation benefits. Employment status. You must be an employee of a company or organization that carries workers' compensation insurance. Work-related injury or illness. Your injury or illness must be a result of your employment, occurring while performing job-related duties or due to work conditions. Reporting deadlines. It is crucial to report your injury or illness to your employer within a specific time frame, typically within 10 days of the incident or the discovery of an occupational illness. Filing a workers' compensation claim. When you sustain a work-related injury or illness, promptly reporting the incident to your employer is vital to ensure you receive the benefits you are entitled to. Here are the essential steps to file a workers' compensation claim. Notify your employer. Inform your employer about the incident or your occupational illness as soon as possible. Seek medical attention. It is crucial to promptly seek medical treatment from an authorized healthcare provider. Complete the necessary forms. Your employer should provide you with the required forms to initiate your workers' compensation claim. Submit your claim. Once you have completed the necessary paperwork, submit your claim to the Colorado Division of Workers' Compensation, DOWC, within the specified time limits. The benefits of working with a knowledgeable workers' compensation attorney. Legal expertise. A knowledgeable attorney specializing in workers' compensation law possesses a deep understanding of the legal framework and can guide you through the entire process. Evidence gathering. Attorneys have the resources and expertise to collect and analyze crucial evidence to support your claim, such as medical records, witness statements, and expert testimonies. Claim evaluation. A skilled attorney can assess the value of your claim accurately, considering factors such as medical expenses, lost wages, future treatment needs, and potential disability. Negotiation and representation. Your attorney will negotiate with insurance companies and other involved parties on your behalf, aiming to secure a fair settlement. Types of workers' compensation benefits in Colorado. Medical expenses. Recovering from a work-related injury often requires extensive medical treatment, including doctor visits, hospital stays, surgeries, physical therapy, and medication. Lost wages and income. A work-related injury or illness can result in temporary or permanent disability, preventing you from returning to work or performing your job at full capacity. Rehabilitation and vocational services. Depending on the severity of your injury, you may require rehabilitation services to regain functionality and re-enter the workforce. Disability benefits. In cases where a work-related injury or illness results in a partial or total permanent disability, fair compensation ensures that you receive appropriate disability benefits. Protection of your rights. Navigating the workers' compensation system can be complex, and insurance companies may attempt to minimize or deny your claim. Disability benefits under Colorado Workers' Compensation Law. Temporary total disability benefits pay employees who miss more than 3 days of work. Temporary partial disability benefits are paid if you can work, but the work you can perform pays less than your regular rate of pay. Permanent partial disability benefits pay if a worker sustains a permanent loss of function to a body part or body system but the employee is not totally disabled from working any job for which the employee is qualified. PPD benefits divide into scheduled impairments and non-scheduled impairments. Scheduled impairment. Scheduled impairments relate to loss of function to a body part typically used to perform work, such as fingers, hands, arms, feet, legs, toes, eyes, hearing, or vision. Non-scheduled impairment. All other loss of function of body parts are non-scheduled impairments. Permanent total disability benefits pay when an employee suffers an injury that results in a permanent medical condition that prevents the worker from earning wages at all. Conclusion. When it comes to Colorado workers' compensation law, understanding your rights and pursuing fair compensation is essential. Our dedicated team of experienced attorneys is here to guide you through every step of the process, advocating for your best interests and helping you navigate the complexities of the legal system. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and let us handle your workers' compensation case with the utmost professionalism and expertise.